Hi everyone, welcome to What's Up with Richard Variety TV. And what I'm doing now is taking you out into some blizzard conditions. The fence across the street that's been blocking the construction of the new house has come down once again. This is like the third time that this has happened. They keep fixing it, it keeps falling down in these high winds. Every once in a while we'll get a gust of wind that just makes things really miserable. I got a car coming. He's down a block. Let's see if I can cross the street here. I'm not sure the camera's really picking this up. Yeah, this is what we call a blizzard with some whiteout conditions. I would call this moderate. Blinking lights back there, or in front of us, I should say. Is that the city plowing? Clearing the fire department parking lot there. Whew. All right, we'll turn here. Man, it is cold. Yesterday it was cold, but we didn't have these winds and the snow. You can see it drifting across the road. Snow drifting across the road, across the parking lot. Whoa, that was slippery. Woo. Got some branches down here. In this little pine tree area. I don't think you have to worry about that today. All right, this is US Highway 12. You can look down this way. That's looking south. You got a car wanting to turn here. The plow guys making some money this year. Yeah, the wind is at my back. Oh, there's one of those gusts of wind. I hate to turn around. That Wind will be right in my face. Holy Moses. I'm beginning to, my mouth's not working, it's so cold. I'm beginning to think that this channel is becoming a weather channel. Whoa. See if I can't put my hood up here. Footprints in the snow. Got to watch out for these ice conditions right here. When it's snow covered, it's not so bad, but when this wind uncovers it, that gets pretty slick. Ooh, as you can see, people have been walking here before, probably yesterday. A lot of ice conditions here. More ice. Try to stay on the cement or the snow as much as I can. There's some high wind snow blowing right into our face. Keep the roads clear. This fence bothers me. Whoa, I better get away. This is not good here. I think, oh, they got that thing wired up. All right, I'm not going to be able to deal with that. And my fingers are numb.